Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and I'm launching a new series related to drawing and sketching. Some of you guys had asked, actually, I'm getting this more and more often, these questions like, hey man, can you teach me how to draw at least, logos, how to improve my skills, in drawing and all this stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited to do this because I really love drawing, and I finished fine arts. And we was drawing a lot, and we were really getting into it. So yeah, super excited. I'm gonna drop a few episodes related to this, and pack it up into a nice season. Okay, this episode, by the way, is going to be about the tools, only the tools, and the next episode we're gonna cover how it works. So first things first, paper. Okay, so there's I saw a lot of designers use the sketchbooks. Okay, this is a sketchbook. It's really nice. I love it. It has a black cover, whatever. I don't really use it. I mainly use a paper. See that? This is an A4 paper. Why? So I also have a light box. This light box basically it illuminates when the cable is adapted. It's gonna light it up. Okay, when I get a drawing of a logo, I'm just gonna put this on. Let's say I got a circle stuff going on, and let's say I want to transfer this design and transform it into something else, into a new design. So basically I gotta put another paper, and it's gonna be transparent because the light is just going to make it transparent, and I'm gonna copy it, and make something else out of that stuff. So this is how I can multiply the logos and recreate the logos in different kind of ways and scenarios. This is what tattoo artists use also a lot. And yeah, there's mandatory. You can't do that stuff with the sketchbook. The sketchbook is really good, if you're on the go, if you're traveling, if you're, out in the city, you got your backpack, you got your sketchbook in there, and it's really good if you got new ideas and you're gonna use the sketchbook for that. Instead, you can improve, put it to the next level with the Lightbox, and then get it into the software. Okay, next thing. Also, I got a graphic pad. If I wanna do it on the software directly, I don't know. The sensation is really different because this is a plastic, so it's gonna slip more. On paper, it's more natural. It feels way more natural, and it behaves differently. Okay, pencils. There's a specific pencil you can use, and I really don't recommend using all kind of weird pencils, HB pencils. These are the B pencils, not the HB. Actually, I think they come from the HB family. I gonna show you. Let me put it. Okay, they kind of work like this. So you can see they're B8, B6, B4, B2. And this is what you need to buy. This is a little bit more expensive, but it's really, really high quality. What these does. So the B2 has the strongest, what is that called, lid inside. And the B8, when you work it up, it has the softest. The B8 is really good for dark shading because its lid is really soft, and you just get into really thick lines and really dark lines, With the B2, basically you can make constructions. You can draw really light lines, This thing is not strong, but the lid is hard, And the B8's lid is more soft. So this is how you... The B4 is really good for light lines and shadings and dark shading too. So the B4 is my favorite. Basically, that works in every kind of condition. And if you really need to add more dark shading, to cover up more space, you basically get the B8. But this is related to portraits and all kinds of stuff. You don't need to really go crazy with it, but this thing comes really handy when you draw a logo. And let's say with the B2, you make the construction, you just draw some light logos, and you can go to make the outline with the B8 and create some thick lines on it, and highlight those real lines. But I gotta show you those techniques also. These basically come in all kinds of pens. This one is yellow, I don't know, there's like multiple kind of stuff going on. Okay, what is that? Erase. I use this. There you go, Milan. It's called Milan. This is a really high quality eraser. I don't know if that's the name, but basically you get the main idea. This is also soft. It's really good. It's really high quality. As you can see, this part is missing. It's right here, and yeah, this is how it works. I usually cut off this part so this can remain really sharp, so I can erase really thin parts of the drawing or really small details. So basically that's a trick there. What else? Okay, so this is also another one. This is the mechanical pencil. I love using mechanical pencils, but not all the time, because mechanical pencils also have like different lids. For example, the main idea is to use a more soft lid, not the old school HB kind of. I don't even know which one are these, because I got mixed the lids in there, so I don't know what is what, but the main idea is to use a soft lid. The more softer it gets, the easier it's gonna broke, but the better it's gonna draw. You know, it's gonna be like really, it's gonna be really smooth, and it can make some really high quality drawings. Next, okay, there's like this clutch pencil, clutch mechanical stuff. I don't know, I just bought it because I saw other designers have it, so I said let me try this out. And if you push it, this thing is gonna come out. So it's like really thick. It's like 2 millimeter lid inside. And if you wanna make this sharp, you got this part, and you just screw this down, or what is it called? As you can see, this part is like got some sharp edges in there. You stick this into the lid. Oh, there you go. And you just do this thing, you know, and this sharpens, and it's really satisfying. And you put it back. Same thing with this. It also has all kinds of lids. Let me put it like this. I bought B4, B6 and B8. And yeah, same drill with this. You can see they're like really thick. All right. The thing with the B8, it breaks really easily inside this. If you press it, it's gonna break instantly. No joke. So the B8 is really good for outlines, to highlight the lines. And basically you can't do it with this. You need to get the, you know, traditional old school pen. This one is also more heavy. It behaves differently. It's made out of steel. I don't know what to say. I believe this thing is for car designers, because there you can draw more freely. You don't do like strong outlines too often because it's a car. And yeah, another thing. Oh yeah, I just bought this, by the way. This comes really handy if you're drawing logos. You just draw a circle, like this circle, multiple times, and you just can sketch, brainstorm whatever you want. And I think these mostly cover up this episode. So you know what to... Oh yeah, another very important tip, not to mention, you got these B8, B6, B4. These are like soft lids. They got soft lids. If you drop it, you're gonna break the whole lid inside, so be careful with those. Take care of them. And yeah, this is kind of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new on the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. And yeah, check out the other videos. Bye bye.